how I bought a boat. This is the story of the resurrection of a steel yacht built in 1966. With more willpower than money, the idea is to save a beauty of a ship from scraping. With the help of family, friends, but also from this community. Recently, I was able to purchase this beauty, once the pride of sailing Grimbergen. A class lady that gives us a nostalgic look back in time, a time when beauty still came first. I'm honored that it could be me, that she chose me, because everyone knows that you don't choose the boat chooses you. How can you not be enchanted by the sight of these lines, made to dance across seas, glide gracefully through rivers? I can already hear the ooh and ah when she can tour back past small villages and gracefully moor in long forgotten places. I can hear you think she could use some TLC. But the real, acute problem is that the boat is in a state of despair. Let me take you for a closer look. It's sad to see how she's been neglected for years. Plants grow through the teak deck. Rust has free play. The once stately look of luxury now had to give way to a dismal sight. Let me take you inside. But don't be fooled by this dismal sight. We are still happy with the purchase. There are more than enough beautiful details to be charmed by this worn-out lady. You just have to see through the clutter. A barometer à l'ancienne, a beautiful wooden steering wheel patiently waiting for a captain, windscreen wipers and ooh la la, a wind speed indicator, mahogany upholstery that stood the test of time beautifully, baroque lighting and an autopilot from the days when East Germany was self-governing. An antique VHF radio and all manner of instruments to facilitate course settings. There's an identical steering wheel on the flybridge, giving out over the majestic bow. There are all sort of small bronze detail to be enchanted about. And look, fold-down masts. All enough to make me and my family happy to embark on this project. And how better to embark on it than having the first picnic on the bow. Despite the fact that I have already completed many projects successfully, I lack some experience in this matter. But this is where you come in. This powerful community can give us the backing we need. All constructive comments are more than welcome. Your insights, your ideas, or those from experienced experts or DIY connoisseurs will make this project successful. And I can in return distribute helpful information along this channel for other enthusiasts who want to embark on a similar project. So next time on Project Y, I give the boat an extensive wash. We dive into the engine room. I do some first aid on proper leaks. And I start breaking out the former head and the master cabin. See you there!